Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about welding terminology. Which of the following is a common shielding gas used in welding? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. Or nitrogen. D. Argon. Chlorine. The correct answer is D. Argon. What does the term arc refer to in welding? A. A curved line. B. A type of welding rod. C. The electrical discharge between the electrode and the workpiece. D. A protective gas shield. E. The welding machine's power source. The correct answer is C. The electrical discharge between the electrode and the workpiece. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What does MIG stand for in welding? A. Metal inert gas. B. Manual ignition, grinding. C. Molten iron gauge. D. Mechanical induction, gearing. E. Magnetic impulse generation. The correct answer is metal inert gas. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.